School pizza. Back to the old days.
Oh, talk about cool. Lunch was pretty super today at a school in Delaware County. In fact, 2 Capes Crusaders showed up to hang out as well as give the kids some encouragement to 2 students in particular who are fighting for their lives.
Our Alan Carter shows us tonight what else Batman brought with him today.
In school, there aren't many things better than lunch hour, especially pizza day on a Friday. It's cool to sit next to your best friend, but even cooler if you have a friend pull up in this.
Oh, yeah. Y'all ready for a good time?
Batmobile and all, the Dark Knight showing up to spend the day with 2 special students at Albany Elementary School.
We're just going to go into the cafeteria and surprise them.
Them is Christian and Emery, 2 students that know a lot about fighting. Emery battling leukemia and Christian brain cancer.
It's not been bad. They have to take MRIs and all that stuff. Like draw my blood.
There's a lot of tough days, but there's also days like this.
So me and the police department decided today that we were going to come and join our 2 best buddies here for lunch. How's that sound? Is that cool? All right, you know
Just 2 kids hanging out with Batman.
You know what? When I was a kid, I didn't like peas.
I don't like peas.
You don't?
This Bruce Wayne is actually John Buckland of West Virginia, who travels the country spreading hope.
You know what that's going to do for you? As you fight this, you'll get stronger and stronger and stronger.
But it wasn't just lunch. There was one more surprise.
That has to be a race car.
A ride away in the Batmobile.
You ready? Climb on in there.
All in a super-powered day's work.
Good job. The most important thing about this whole thing for me is I like to get these kids stories told, and that's what it's all about.
In Albany, Alan Carter, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.